Hey guys, and welcome back in the day. We are no, oh no. Very wrong. Okay, so
let's have Inception video.
Yeah, we're at GrayishLight75's house. No mentioning real names.
Oh no.
Well, you probably heard his name before in the video when I was really stupid and yeah.
They know your real
name.
Zane, they already know your real name from your channel.
Yeah, I know.
And from my first video.
What?
You said your name in my first video.
Oh yeah.
Luke is here. Wait, let me
Luke is over there.
let me delete this other video real quick.
Okay.
So I have storage.
What the heck? He's an idiot. I mean, nothing. You guys heard nothing. Did he just ding dong ditch us? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. We'll be right back. Wow, we're only 1 minute into the video.
Let's get inside.
No, we can't.
I'm getting inside.
Zara, run. Bye.
I think so.
Zara's not available right now.
Please call again later. Zara's not available right
Beep.
now. Zara's not available right now.
Oh yeah, my coat, my awesome jacket. I was trying to upload a Bloodborne video, but I couldn't get anything. Like there was nothing worked to set it up.
Yeah, he usually does.
Alright, where's Big Girl?
Huh?
Where's Big Girl?
Oh, they're in the car.
Oh, they're in the car?
Wow.
Come on, Noah, are you coming with me?
Yeah.
First thing they ever listened to.
Bye.
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 Bye. Bye, Noah.
Okay, now I'm recording.
Oh, awesome.
Okay, wait.
Guys, let's zoom in on Brayden. Oh my gosh, your face. Like I zoomed in like really far. I zoomed in as far as you can go. And it looks so weird. Wait, I'm going to zoom in on your face. Oh my gosh.
GrayishLight75 looking in the video. Am I even recording? I'm recording.
Okay.
Inception video.
Wow.
Wait, Zane, I'm gonna zoom really close to your face.
I'm going to zoom really close to your face. Oh my gosh. I can see the same thing you're probably seeing.
Oh my god.
I am seeing like the same thing you're probably seeing.
Probably
Nothing. Like I'm seeing just the camera.
Wait, let me. Okay, we're back.
Wait, let's zoom in the garage.
Don't stop people.
Okay, let's go stop people. There's no one in there.
Where are they going? Wait, Zane, let's play a game.
Okay.
Where are they going? I don't know.
Yeah, we don't know.
It's called I Chase You with a Stick.
I don't like this game. I think he went around. Ah, you scared us, dog. Oh crap. This is the zombie apocalypse. This is Zane Dolman. Oh gosh, I think there's a dead body over there.
Oh god.
Yeah, the screen just went. Ah! Oh my gosh, I just felt like Slender. No, stand right there. What if you walked through the corner and you saw that just standing there? He got closer. We're like really far away from each other right now. Run! 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 That water!
Zane!
I think we're safe. Oh no, we're not!
This is Sarah! He's in Sarah!
Oh crap.
He's coming over.
Oh crap.
Wait, I'm gonna get really close and then zoom in.
Oh gosh.
Wait, I can't see it.
All I can see is a glass lens. What the heck?
Zane, quit moving. That's creepy.
His hair is all messed up. Oh my gosh. Your hair looks all fancy. Oh my gosh, I just saw inside her throat.
What do you say? Little fancy nay. Wait, they're on!
What?
The red car is gone!
Da, da, da.
Illuminati confirmed.
Ba, 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 ba. What do you... Oh no. Oh no, it's him. It's Luke.
No.
And there's water too. There's water. I guess there's water involved in this. Water. I think I didn't even see the water. Whoa, hi.
Little kids! It's too bright, Zane!
I know, right?
Too bright!
Too bright. Wow. Thank you. Does my hair look golden?
Zane, this was so weird. I said he's gone, and then I saw a ball going across and I didn't even see him.
Oh gosh, that was just a bee. It flew right past me. Yeah, Sarah. He was like, Zane. I was like hiding like this, and I actually had my camera on. I was like, I don't think he sees us.
Oh, Zane, I figured out I had to turn my brightness down.
Oh! Wow. That helps. I can't turn my brightness down when I'm in the middle of the video.
I can.
Well, yeah, I can.
He's actually gone.
Wait, no, I can't.
He's gone. Yay!
Yay! Everybody's happy. Wait, what? Zara, are you evil? I just zoomed in close to your face. I was like, run! I don't know what we're running from. What? Oh gosh, I'm going to record him jumping for his life. Wait, I gotta pause this. I'm going to get to the bottom of this, literally.
There's code over there.
Okay,
No one left his code.
where are you? Okay.
Not yours.
Hi, Zara.
We thought that was a dead body. Zane,
Hi.
Noah left his code over there.
Cool.
Okay, now I'm gonna jump off the map.
But Zara.
Look how high up I am, guys. See those little yellow dots? Those are taxis.
What? Oh my gosh.
Ready? We're gonna jump.
3, 2, 1. Stop. Inappropriate language.
I jumped from there.
Oh my gosh.
So high up.
Wait.
Do this. It'll make it look like it's high up.
Oh gosh, I gotta climb up this place. I'm gonna lay here forever. Oh my gosh, I can see my own reflection in the camera. Sarah, your hair right in my freaking face. Ah, my butt. What do you mean? Oh, sure.
On the way to the treehouse.
Sure, man.
To the treehouse. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ah! Camera, I'm sorry. Guys, I'm going down. We're spying on him. Who thinks he's getting closer? We're back up. Bum ba da ba. Bum ba dum. Bum ba da ba. Ba ba da. All by myself.
Mountain.
What the heck?
Zane, I think my singing is so good that I might get copyrighted for that.
Wow.
Yeah. My singing's just that good.
Guys, don't copyright him. He doesn't deserve it. Oh crap. I almost dropped it.
So I don't know.
Ah! What was that, Zara? Mean face? All by myself. Who is enjoying the view of a sandbox that's not really filled with sand? I am. Zara, you just got wrecked. All by myself.
This video is actually going on 8 minutes.
Aren't you going to end the video somehow? Jeez.
She okay? She's laughing, isn't she?
Oh.
No, she's not laughing.
You alive? You alive? No? I take that as a no. I'm just zooming in our face. All by myself.
Hashtag forever alone. No.
Oh gosh. Zara, let me zoom in on your face.
Wait, I'm gonna go.
The doc is in and to fix you up. If you're a toy, then you're in luck. It's okay. Don't be afraid. The doc really knows her stuff. You know it's good for you. Doc's gonna help you feel better. And that's gonna get copyrighted.
Yeah, because I'm singing superior.
It'd probably be for a funeral, though. Sad. You guys are going to look down into the wood, okay?
No!
Okay, that went black for a while. You guys can kind of still.
Why do you guys keep
Yay!
away?
You can see my feet. Ugh. It's really dark under here. Yeah, we want to. Oh no.
Crap. Before we end the video, let's kill the headphone users, okay? Crap.
The what? I only have like 4 more minutes left of recording.
Okay. Lucas here.
Oh no, I can. Oh no, he's asking you out, Sarah.
No, I'm not coming.
She doesn't want to go out with you. You are friends. Oh gosh, he's going up to our door. Billy!
Ding dong ditch.
Beep, beep, beep.
I don't want to play with them.
Blueness, dark,
I tried to say
redness,
no.
whiteness.
Yeah! One time, hurry!
Darkness, red.
He's lying.
Darkness, redness, whiteness. Oh my gosh, I can do the Tobuscus thing.
What? I'm scared. What?
Blackness, redness, whiteness. I can't remember the order. Yeah, Tobuscus, he doesn't upload like regular things. All he does is upload like highlights now.
I'm scared. Yeah, I'm scared.
What? Oh gosh. All by
I'm gonna stay over by the treehouse
myself.
Wait, Zane, I have to start recording again.
Why? Oh, come on. I hate when that happens.
I think I do.
I have to like stop recording in like 2 minutes because I can go up to at least 15 minutes and 59 seconds. That's as far as I can go. I have to upload my YouTube thing.
So see ya. Bye. Go later. Sorry.
No, jeez.
I accidentally stopped recording. And yeah.
You have to upload. You still have to upload that because that basically explained everything. We sang.
I know. I can edit the 2 videos together, retard.
Ah! Can you teach me how to do that?
Teach me how to go. Teach me how to go. Teach me how to go. There's spiders up here.
All by myself.
The moon is out. You guys probably can't see that.
Really? The moon is out? Okay. Well, we are going to end this video here. So,
Is that really how you end your videos?
no, it's not. I am my videos really freaked. So,
Okay.
that's it for this video.
I think I'm gonna end the video here too.
Well, moon. No, you can barely see it. He tried to do it. He didn't succeed. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Say goodbye to my swing set. I mean, I can't really talk, but see you guys.